Welcome to Stock Market Training Course, Beginner's Level. Learn how to trade in stock market by Falcon Analytics. Falcon Analytics is a data analysis company in the field of investments. We at Falcon Analytics offer services in education and training, advisory and consultancy, R&D of strategies, coding of strategies into algo trading, and data interpretation and analysis, spreading across a wide range of investing instruments. Some of the instruments are stocks, F&O forks, bitcoins, and other cryptocurrencies, etc. What you can expect from this course. In Introduction to Stock Market section, you will come across and familiar with types of markets and exchanges, who are the participants in the market, and the regulating body and their importance. In investments and its types, you will learn about long-term, short-term, and mid-term investments. In trading and its types, intraday, swing, positional, and expiry day trading. In trading instruments and its segments, equity, futures, options, and commodities. Then you will learn about the risk involved in stock market, its consequences and stress. In risk management, you will learn about managing risk, money management, risk-reward ratio, and importance of hedging. In trading psychology, you will learn about right attitude in stock market, mindset, position sizing, and emotion control. In types of analysis, you will come across fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and data analysis. Now, coming to technical analysis and data analysis. You will be learning technical analysis in detail. Technical analysis will be the major part of the beginner's level. In technical analysis, you will be learning about candlestick patterns, support and resistance, trend lines, moving averages, indicators, price action, and chart patterns. In the intermediate level, you will come across data analysis and will learn about cash market data, derivative data, index futures and options data, stock futures and options data, FII and DII data, PCR data, and option chain data. Now, let us see who all can benefit from this course. Professionals like doctors, engineers, advocates, IT professionals, and others. Homemakers and housewives looking for new career and creating some extra income. Students, undergraduates, graduates, and postgraduates. In self-employed category, businessmen and women, entrepreneurs, and skilled workers. All these people can learn and get benefited from this course. Now, let's dive into the course and start learning.